Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board a 1990 ISIS 700 made by Ernecraft in Ireland. This is the interior. Lovely cockpit for a 7-metre boat. New upholstery here in the back. Lovely, comfortable, undamaged. Very, very nice. Good access to the services beneath the bench. Floor panels give excellent access to the bilge and engine. Canopy is all in good order. She's a hard top. Pretty standard Ernecraft really from what I can see. Diesel engine, solar panels, bow thruster, little Lawrence Elite 4 DSI unit there. A lovely tidy little example. She has shore power. Before we go into the saloon more, porta potty toilet system which is recessed into a hole so it sits at the nice right height, and hot and cold shower, so it's a wet compartment. All very nice. Upholstery is lovely, all good, comfortable. It's a nice dry boat this. Head lining's all good. Nice clean tidy galley, single burner gas appliance with sink, drainer, fridge, microwave, and the infill cushions to make the saloon into a large single stroke small double, and the infill for the forward cabin berth area. All very nice. Mudway on the bow, nice neat curtains all round matching, everything's good. Really nice, good little boat this. Ideal starter boat for a family or couple. Get you abroad, get you onto the Norfolk Broads on a diesel powered boat. Couple of little bits and pieces need doing. You know, it is a 30-year-old boat, 35 years old. But it's all tiny cosmetic little jobs. If you'd like further information on this Ernecraft ISIS 700 from 1990, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.